Guys, at the moment it is currently 10 p.m. and I'm about to jump on the bike because basically my mate just got him back from his holiday and waiting at home he's got an unopened 2025 Ultra Bee. So yeah, let's go. We just have to be like super duper quiet because my parents are sleeping and I don't want to wake them up. We got the X4 running.
Someone give me a flashlight.
Yeah. Are we running right now? Alright. I'm not forgetting anything. It's gonna be slippery, boys, be careful. Yeah, I don't mind, whatever. How you doing? Guys, it is the next day, and we got the on the stand. We got the bike on the stand, guys, and what we're doing right now, show them the supermotors. We're putting these bad boys. Stay tuned.
Yeah, move.